Here are 3 ornamentations you can add to make your solos come to life. Now we're going to use the solo for Let It Be by George Harrison of the Beatles as an example. We're going to look at the first couple of bars. The first thing that we're going to add is a double stop, which is 2 notes played at the same time. Here he's coming in with this A and the C. That's something you can add anywhere. That shape, it's like a minor third shape. And then this double stop, this is a kind of, it's a 4th shape. The next ornamentation you can add is slides. Now here in the beginning of his solo, his entrance, he's sliding into the solo using a double stop. It's a small little half step double stop, but you could do longer ones if you like. Longer slides. Here he does like a little half step slide. It gives it that blues feeling, that bluesy sound. Into that double stop right there. Now this 4th double stop, you can do a longer slide on anywhere you like on that one. Those are slides on double stops. You can also use individual notes, which he does right after that little run. That's a little whole step slide right there, but you could do a much longer slide if you like. Slides. So double stops, slides, and the third one we're going to add is bends. So his first bend in that solo Let It Be has this D bending up to this E right over here. So it comes in like this. Right? So I'm bending right here just a whole step up, and then he's bending down. And then pulling off to the 5 right here for this C. Right? So double stops, slides, and bends. Add these 3 ornamentations to your solos to help bring them to life. I hope you enjoyed watching. My name is Richard Shepard. I'm the owner of the Heroes of Music Institute. Don't forget to subscribe.